Live and Rich Picks Daily. And today we're going to speak to you on a new company that I am very excited about, that I think has enormous potential. And I think that is one that everyone should put on their watch list and put on their radar. They also have some news that we're going to go over, and we're going to go over the charts as well. So right off the bat, the symbol in America is PYNKF. And the symbol in Canada is pink. Now, anyone who's been watching Rich TV Live knows I love disruptive technologies. You could see here pink currently at $4.24. And this is a company that has disruptive technology, and I love disruptive technology. Okay, so right off the bat, disruptive technology is my thing. Always been a big fan of disruptive technology. And if you've been watching Rich TV Live for quite some time, you know that we've brought winner after winner after winner using our strategy of identifying disruptive technologies, companies that are changing the world, companies that are changing their industry, companies that are unique. This is the key to our success, identifying undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities before they explode. We've done it better than anyone else on the planet. Now, a lot of times you're going to notice that with a lot of the companies that we talk about, they're not going to get as many views. And that's because we're on YouTube, which is a search engine, and we're talking about stocks before anyone else in the world. So the reality is nobody's searching those stocks because nobody knows. So what we realized is, wow, if we become that place that everybody goes to every time somebody's interested in finding something new, then yeah, maybe we're not going to get as many views as other people, but we're going to be able to identify all the winners first. That is the modus operandi for Rich TV Live. The modus operandi is we are the place that everybody goes to win. And Rich Picks Daily is our trading club, as you can see behind me. And we take a lot of pride in making sure that our members are winning and having success. So if you guys are looking to learn how to trade, if you're looking to gain more picks, you're looking to gain more success with your trading, you can join our trading club at richpicksdaily.com, and you too can be a winner. So Rich Picks Daily is an online community designed for trades and traders to exchange smart, straightforward, and profitable investment ideas. Join us today on www.richpicksdaily.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn useful stock trading secrets and discover the next 10 bagger. So this is the news right now that we're going to break right here, pre-market. Perimeter Medical Imaging, AI. I love artificial intelligence. Absolutely love artificial intelligence. Perimeter Medical Imaging, AI announces clinical study at Northern Arizona Healthcare Verde Valley Medical Center. This is the big news breaking this morning. Perimeter Medical Imaging, AI Inc. Symbol pink in Canada, PYNKF in America, 4PC in Frankfurt, Germany, a medical technology company driven to transform cancer surgery with ultra high resolution, real-time advanced imaging tools to address areas of high unmet medical need. Today announced that Dr. Beth DuPree, a surgeon at Northern Arizona Healthcare Verde Valley Medical. Wow. Medical Center expects to enroll up to 100 patients in a study that will evaluate the use of Perimeter's Optical, Coherence, Tomography, OCT, imaging system during breast conserving surgery. In a previous successful collaboration with Perimeter, Dr. Dupri generated compelling data from a smaller 20-patient study completed in 2020, which prompted the initiation of a larger study. Obviously, breast cancer is a terrible, terrible problem that many are fighting in 2021. And if we could find a cure, or we could find something to make things better, that would be huge. Many breast cancer patients undergo a lumpectomy to remove the tumor and conserve the breast. The complete removal of cancerous tissue during the surgery can be challenging. The surgeon's goal, which is the total excision of the tumor to prevent recurrence while removing as little healthy tissue as possible is achieved by excising the tumor plus a surrounding layer of healthy tissue, referred to as a margin. If the surgeon fails to get clear margins, reoperation may be required, which presents a greater risk of further complications for the patient and higher costs to the healthcare system. The clinical study led by Dr. Dupri aims to demonstrate that surgeons can effectively use Perimeter's OCT imaging system during a clinical procedure to aid their decisions if additional tissues needs to be excised. This study will also calculate the average time to re-excise while in surgery instead of a separate follow-up procedure. In addition, the data will calculate the percentage of patients that require a second surgery. Dr. Beth DuPree, breast surgeon at Northern Arizona Healthcare, said, "I'm excited to lead the study using Perimeter's OCT imaging system, which provides ultra-high resolution visualization of a specimen in real time. Game changer." Remember, I'm bringing you guys this first. Never heard anybody talk about this company, and the company name is Perimeter Medical Imaging. We love game-changing technologies and disruptive technologies and technologies that are changing the game. And this looks like it's doing just that. Which provides ultra-high resolution visualization of a specimen in real time. The use of this technology adds to my confidence on the final margin status. For patients, the need to reoperate can cause emotional stress, discomfort, and inconvenience, while potentially delaying other treatments and therapies. This is a non-invasive technology that aims to provide better peace of mind for both the patient and the surgeon, while lowering the likelihood of adding to reschedule another surgery. It is my hope that the data generated from the study will help validate the use of the technology in breast conservation surgery and ultimately create better results for my patients. Hey, if that's what it can do, then that's a fantastic game changer. Jeremy Sabota, Perimeter's Chief Executive Officer, stated, this is the CEO, "We are excited to announce the recent installation of Perimeter's OCT imaging system at Northern Arizona Healthcare Verde Valley Medical Center. Our hope is that the data generated from the study will further validate the potential clinical benefit of bringing real-time margin visualization into the OR to assist surgeons with their decision-making. In addition, we have worked closely with the clinician users to ensure the Perimeter OCT imaging system can be easily integrated into current intraoperative workflows. We are focused on creating better long-term outcomes for patients while lowering costs to the healthcare system, and look forward to the results from the study with Dr. Dupri. The study is open to patients to Northern Arizona Healthcare Verde Valley Medical Center. Dr. Dupri, MD, FACS, ABOIM, is a board-certified general surgeon specializing in diseases of the breast with additional board certification from the American Board of Integrative Medicine. She is a nationally recognized breast cancer expert who has chosen to bring her 26 years of experience and surgical expertise to the Verde Valley. Dr. Dupri earned her medical degree from Hahnemann University in Philadelphia and her undergraduate degrees in behavioral neuroscience and the history and philosophy of science at the University of Pittsburgh. In her first book, The Healing Consciousness, A Doctor's Journey to Healing, was released in 2006 to excellent reviews by Christiane Northrup, MD, and Bernie Siegel, MD, among other well-known experts in the women's health field. Dr. Dupri is a keynote speaker at many national events, primarily addressing women's health issues, state-of-the-art breast cancer therapies, healing, and wellness. She is often featured in live telesurgeries and WebEx online video conferencing to educate physicians and healthcare professionals on cutting-edge breast care issues. She has traveled throughout the United States and globally to train countless physicians in breast surgical oncology techniques. Her numerous honors include the Clara Barton Humanitarian Award from the American Red Cross for ongoing contributions to the treatment of breast cancer. She was selected by her peers for Philadelphia Magazine's Top Docs in Surgery in 2016 and 2017. She serves on the advisory board of breastcancer.org and often hosts live chats and podcasts on current breast cancer issues. Dr. Dupri was chosen by her peers as Verde Valley Physician of the Year in 2020. What do you guys think of this news? What do you think about this deal? Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and information purposes. Please do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. If you like the video, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe. Now let's talk a little bit about Perimeter Medical Imaging AI. I love artificial intelligence. It is a game changer, and Perimeter Medical Imaging AI is using AI, artificial intelligence. Symbol in Canada is PINK on the TSX Venture Exchange, TSX-V, symbol PINK, P-I-N-K, on the OTC, symbol PYNKF, and in Frankfurt, Germany, the symbol is 4PC. Perimeter Medical Imaging AI is a Toronto-based company with U.S. headquarters in Dallas, Texas. Everything is bigger in Texas. That is developing with plans to commercialize advanced imaging tools that allow surgeons, radiologists, and pathologists to visualize microscopic tissue structures during a clinical procedure. Game changer. Perimeter's OCT imaging platform is a point-of-care imaging system that provides clinicians with real-time, ultra-high resolution subsurface image volumes of the margin 1 to 2 millimeters below the surface of an excised tissue specimen. The ability to visualize microscopic tissue structures during a clinical procedure, in addition to standard of care tissue assessment for decision-making during the procedure, has the potential to result in better long-term outcomes for patients and lower costs to the healthcare system. Perimeter's OCT imaging platform is cleared by the FDA as an imaging tool in the evaluation of excised human tissue microstructure by providing two-dimensional, cross-sectional, real-time depth visualization with image review manipulation software for identifying and annotating regions of interest. In addition, Perimeter is developing advanced artificial intelligence machine learning image assessment tools intended to increase the efficiency of review. Perimeter's ticker symbol PINK is a reference to the pink ribbon used during Breast Cancer Awareness Month by the Canadian Cancer Society and the American Cancer Society, driving home the company's dedication to helping surgeons, radiologists, and pathologists use Perimeter's imaging technology and AI, artificial intelligence, in the fight against breast cancer, which is estimated to account for 30% of all female cancer diagnoses this year. That's the news. What do you guys think of this news? If you like the news, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe. Love to know what you guys think about this big news. Now, I want to go over some more information about Perimeter. So this is their corporate overview. I'm just going to go over the key points. So I'm not going to reiterate what I've already talked about. So right off the bat, their US FDA 510K clearance of Perimeter's commercial-ready optical coherence tomography OCT imaging system with further validation from world-class key opinion leaders. Artificial intelligence, AI machine learning tools in development. I love artificial intelligence. And this is another AI company. Exceptional management team, board of directors, and scientific advisory board. 3.7 billion total addressable market for high margin per patient consumable. Well capitalized, traded company. 7 million added to the balance sheet since Q3 from warrant exercises. And breast cancer is a global problem, and cancer left behind after surgery leads to reoperations. 2 million women worldwide were diagnosed with breast cancer in 2019, 317,000 in the US alone. Recurrence risk doubles when positive margins are not excised. $16,000 is the cost per reoperation. Wow. terrible, terrible costs, and 48% complication rates for reoperations. Wow, those are scary numbers. So the tissue assessment workflow, current standard of care versus potential future improvement. You can see the current standard of care takes 2 to 7 days. Gold standard, post-operative histology tissue assessment, 2 to 7 days post-procedure. And in the future, Perimeter's intra-procedural tissue assessment should be available in 5 to 10 minutes. Wow. See, that's what I call a game changer. You're talking about right now, it takes 2 to 7 days for the current standard of care, and Perimeter's intra-procedural tissue assessment will be available in 5 to 10 minutes. That's what I call disruptive. That's what I call a game changer. That's what I call Perimeter medical imaging. Put it on your watch list, put it on your radar. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and information purposes. Please consult a financial advisor before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best. The best is blessed, and you absolutely deserve the best, in my opinion. Perimeter's medical device platform is a disruptive technology comprised of 4 key components. You can see here Perimeter's OCT imaging console, Perimeter's tissue immobilization system, Perimeter's proprietary image library, and Perimeter's proprietary AI IMG assist. And you can see what they do. I love technology, and technology is just moving at such a fast pace. And a lot of people can't keep up with it, but that's why people are watching Rich TV Live, because we can keep up with the technology. We can keep up with the winners. We can bring you the winners before anyone else on the planet, and you can stay organized and you can win. Let's see if there's anything happening in the stock so far. Looks like the stock is just kind of getting started. Doesn't seem to be doing too much movement yet. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to message. Let's quickly take a look here. If you guys have a question, please put it in the chat. We are live and interactive looking at the markets. And this is their website, perimetermed.com. Pretty cool website. I've already signed up to their newsletter. So anytime they have any big breaking news, I will get access to it first. You can learn about their information right there. A lot of the companies that we talk about are pre-revenue. A lot of the companies that we talk about are early. So you're going to find that is a pretty standard thing with a lot of the companies that we talk about. So I don't think that that's anything new, because we bring you companies first that are undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed. Most of them are pre-revenue, but they are going to grow in revenue. And that's why we love the picks that we talk about, because we're bringing you companies that are growing. Some of them are pre-revenue, some of them have revenue, but at the end of the day, every single one of our companies is growing in revenue or going to be growing their revenue. That's why we've had so much success. And I believe that's why we will continue to have success. And like I said, this is the website, perimetermed.com. And there's lots of information for you to learn about the company on the website. So I'm not going to go through all of it right now. And let's just go through some of this information that others are talking about with Perimeter. Once again, symbol PINK in Canada, PYNKF in America, 4PC in Frankfurt, Germany. This company's disruptive imaging technology could drastically reduce the need for breast cancer reoperations. That's absolutely huge. I mean, even getting one operation is bad enough, but a reoperation, that's just like a nightmare. Perimeter Medical Imaging, PINK and PYNKF, one-of-a-kind imaging technology that could transfer breast cancer surgery by giving physicians real-time imaging of the affected tissue during operation. Wow. I'm not going to go through all of the same information. Very similar information talking about here. So here we go. So Perimeter's disruptive medical device platform consists of 4 key components. First one is optical coherence, tomography, OCT, tissue imaging console, wide field OCT 100 times coverage, OCT tissue immobilization system, single-use consumable, aids in positioning diverse tissue types. Perimeter, number 3, Perimeter's proprietary image library, Atlas, broad-based tissue library with pathology-verified tissues, structure correlations. Perimeter's proprietary AI, IMG Assist, provides look-here guidance to speed up image review. At present, Perimeter is focused on providing its revolutionary medical technology to significantly reduce breast cancer reoperation rates, but the company's device platform has endless applications in pathology, interventional radiology, tissue imaging for the lungs, prostate, colon, head and neck, pancreas, kidney, liver, the list goes on. Wow, this is game-changing. In July 2020, Perimeter Imaging AI went public through a private placement, offering a reverse takeover of New World Resource Corp. Perimeter raised $9.4 million with potential future proceeds of $13.5 million from the exercise of associated warrants. Perimeter's previously accelerated warrants have been successfully exercised, adding over $7 million to the balance sheet, which will help to contribute to the company's sales efforts. 6 reasons why Perimeter Medical is transforming breast cancer surgery. Let's take a quick look at the chart here. So this is pink. And if we were to go to the 1-year chart, you could see that this has already been a huge success. This was at $1.46 in July, pretty much when they were getting started. You could see that this has gone from $1.46 all the way to a high of $4.84. That is extremely bullish. Really love the chart. Currently sitting at $4.24. So that is the chart, and that's the way it is trending. Very, very, very bullish. Right here, as you can see, for pink, in my opinion. And let's go back to the website. And 6 reasons Perimeter Medical is transforming breast cancer surgery. Number 1, FDA clearance. FDA clearance, patented specimen imaging system based on proven optical coherence tomography, OCT technology, and validated by the world-class key opinion leaders. Growing body of intellectual property, currently has 4 issued patents with another 5 pending approvals in the US and internationally. An exceptional team, management team, board of directors, and scientific advisory board with medical device knowledge, breast cancer expertise, M&A experience, and more. Smart tools, artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning tools in development to assist surgeons in the operating room in real time. Well capitalized, approximately $9.1 million in cash equivalents, and $2.9 million in investments as of September 30th, 2020. Immediate addressable market of product. The market for its OCT system is estimated to be worth $3.7 billion. So these are some of their competitors. A quick look at other medical device companies that have developed breakthrough technologies reveals just how big of an upside potential Perimeter could turn out to have for early investors. So you can see some of their competitors, you can see their market caps, and clearly Perimeter's market cap is by far the smallest when you compare them to some of their peers that are on the NASDAQ. And there's quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 companies with massive market caps, much bigger than Perimeter Medical Imaging AI. And this is a company that could potentially change the game forever for breast cancer survivors, breast cancer reoperations. Here's one of the companies that's actually very, very bullish for me, Butterfly. And also a big fan of Butterfly is Cathie Wood, the famous fund manager, many are calling the top fund manager in 2020. with 148% return. She loves Butterfly Network Inc. And look at Butterfly Network Inc. trading at $17 with a 3.3 billion market cap. Well, I like Perimeter Medical Imaging with a 168 million market cap and trading at only $3.91. It's actually the lowest price out of all the companies on this list, and I love what they're doing. It's absolutely a game changer, and that's why we're talking to you about them today. I'm not going to go through the entire history of breast cancer, but obviously it's a terrible disease. And this is a company that could save many, many lives. So we've talked about a lot of the key characteristics. You can see right here, Perimeter is one of a kind. You can see why when you compare them to their competitors. The 5 to 10 minutes is a game changer. There really is nobody that can compete with them. And that's why I absolutely think you need to put this on your radar, put it on your watch list immediately. This is a company that can be an absolute game changer. Now, in addition to what they're doing, their business model, and why I think there's so much potential here, let's take a look at some more information about the company, like the outstanding team behind the company. This is Jeremy Sobota, the Chief Executive Officer. Sobota has plenty of experience and a track record of success in the medical device space with deep expertise in go-to-market models across a variety of payer-provider environments. He was responsible for deploying over $4 billion in capital for strategic M&A in medtech and led the financing for Stryker's surgical business unit, operating room equipment with women's health from 2008 to 2019. He held roles in increasing responsibility at Stryker, including intramural audit, finance transformation, commercial excellence, financial planning and analysis, and ultimately leading finance for their surgical business unit. He was also the former controller for the orthopedics division of Smith and Nephew. So they're going through all the key members. Feel free to go through all of this. Love to know what you guys think about the members. I'm not going to break down every single member, but you can see that they've got a team of highly skilled, highly qualified members so that they can grow and be a game changer. So 6 reasons why we love Perimeter Medical Imaging AI. Number 1, one-of-a-kind imaging system that could revolutionize how breast cancer will be treated. Number 2, already received FDA clearance for its imaging system, which is based on optical coherence tomography technology. Number 3 is currently developing AI machine learning image processing tools that will complement the company's imaging system. Number 4, strong leadership and management team that has lots of experience in bringing in a medical device to market. Number 5, 3.7 billion total addressable market from high margin per patient OCT system. And number 6, well-capitalized, publicly traded company with approximately 9.1 million in cash equivalents and 2.9 million in investments. Some really good reasons why you should be putting them on your radar and putting them on your watch list. Once again, we don't see any change in the price yet. Love to know what you guys think about this. Pink in Canada. And if I wanted to go to TMX money and I typed in pink, there it is. Okay, it's up a little bit. It's now at 427. I don't know why there's a delay on Webull. Kind of odd. There's this delay on Webull, but you could see that on TMX money, it is actually already up slightly at 427. That's good news. And this is what I love to look at is the share structure. Love their share structure. I love tight float stocks. Okay. This is what we call a tight float stock. Good morning, Crypto Man. Good morning, Robert. I hope you're all having a great day. I got another winner for you to put on your radar, put on your watch list. Pink. Look at the shares. One of the most tight float stocks out there. 44 million shares listed, issued, and outstanding. Super tight float stock. We love tight float stocks. Look at the market cap. 184 million market cap with all classes. A 188 million market cap. That's still a baby market cap for a company that could potentially change the world for breast cancer and breast cancer survivors. I think that this could grow to a 1 billion market cap company, which gives us 500% upside, in my opinion. I'm not saying it's going to happen overnight, but I think the potential is there. In my opinion, the potential is there. This is game-changing technology. Once again, the symbol is PINK, P-I-N-K in Canada. In America, PYNKF. And in Frankfurt, Germany, 4PC. Let's just see if they have here PYNKF, if they're updated that. PYNKF. Okay. Currently says $3.38 in America. Let me know what you guys think. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. We bring in the winners and we bring them to you first. What do you think about Perimeter Medical Imaging? Another winner that we brought to you first from your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring in the winners and we bring them to you first. What do you think? Let me know. Your boy's out. Peace. Stay tuned. I got more news coming. Get your popcorn ready.